There's a lot of pressure, but not like kitchen pressure, because we are used to that. It's just the pressure of representing my people back home.
Your culture, your
Yes,
people.
my culture, my people.
Yeah. Ancestors.
Yes, and there are a lot of young chefs looking up to me. And this is a dream for a lot of them, to be in Japan and cooking Nigerian fusion. A lot of people don't know how African food tastes like, so they just want to know at least. And then talk less of us being here and doing like a fusion. That in itself is some form of pressure. The pressure of representing African food properly, the pressure of representing African chefs properly.
Why? I don't know, say they repack. I think they want to follow us.
I'm used to a lot of pressures, but not this type.
What is the feeling that you have now? What's happening in here?
Aye.
Include the pressures and include the current, you know, we have that a big event tomorrow.
Yeah.
How you feel about that?
There's a lot of excitement
Yeah.
mixed with anxiety. Like the excitement is there. It's just like once I found out the first time, oh, you're coming to Ishinoko. I was excited, and then I was like, oh, now we have to get a visa, right? And then, you're right, then we start the process of the visa, and that was taking time. And then I get the visa, I'm excited, I'm like, oh, now we have to get tickets. You know what I mean? So I land Japan, and it's like, all right, touchdown. Oh shit, now I have to find my way through the jungle that is Tokyo, because now I don't understand the signs and all of these things. I got lost at the train station. Like, it was ridiculous. Like, you have to see me at the train station carrying like 240 kg bags all around, and people were just looking at me like, why are you around Tokyo with two heavy bags running around? And I'm like, nobody told me to pack light. Nobody told me. But yeah, and then all excitement, and now we're here a day before. Now we have to represent.
What is the culture and people that you want to represent to this event?
I want people to feel connected to Nigeria through the food. I want you to try the food and know that these people are warm, these people are welcoming, these people are comforting. That is what I want to translate through the food.
AKA the big deal, AKA Chef Padre. Today's Afro Sushi launch. What can I say? We decided to create sushi for the continent, for Nigeria, for where we are. I've always been a lover of Japanese culinary.
I've always liked Japanese food. Not because it was trending. I just liked it. Clean flavors, discipline. And when I started learning how to cook, I kept coming back to it. Years later, I created Afro Sushi. Not as a gimmick, not to be clever. I just wanted to make something honest. Something that felt like me. And somehow that journey led to the Japanese ambassador tasting it. Years later, I'm in Japan. First Nigerian, African, teaching a Nigerian style Teishoku at one of their most respected food festivals. I'm not here to prove anything. I'm just here to represent where I'm from and show them how far food can really go. Full circle? Maybe. But honestly, this just feels like the start of something bigger.
Right. Hello, welcome aboard. Mr. Oko, we have 5D. That's the first aisle.
Thanks.
That's a new iPhone. It looks really nice.
Thank you.
Sure. Lufthansa Apron Kirche.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, the captain again. You realized we had to fly go around. The reason was that two aircrafts ahead of us, there was an aircraft that had a so-called bird strike. So the authorities, they have to check the runway first, and so we're gonna fly a circle, and approximately 15 minutes we're gonna start our approach into Tokyo again. I thank you for your patience.
Crazy how it started in Abuja. Now I'm at the place that inspired it all.
I told you before, Bakali, listen. I'm the man.
What I asked for was this.
You want to use it?
Yeah.
Emergency, emergency, you never see me coming through.
Emergency, emergency, you never see me coming.
Emergency, emergency, you never see me coming through.
Emergency, emergency, you never see me coming. Baby, come to the floor. Baby, come to the floor. Baby, show to the floor. Baby, show to the floor.
Baby, tell me what to do.
Yeah, yeah.